Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. This is not financial advice. I just hope you brought your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Now, I'm gonna be quiet for a second, and I want you to let me know in the comments if my mic is working well. Let me know in the comments. I want you to write yes in the comments if you see that everything is working good, fine, exactly how we need it to work. I appreciate y'all. As your way in. Oh yeah, let me be quiet for a second. Let me know. Let's go. The mic is working good. Let's go. I love to hear it. Thank you, family. Now, I see the happy birthdays in the chat. Come on now. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all for that. Much love. It's your boy's birthday. Let's get it. Now, I was thinking, oftentimes in this world, your birthday is a day all about you. But I don't want it to just be about me. I want it to be about us. I want it to be about us paying ourselves first. So in the Discord, what I decided to do was start the 26-week challenge. Since we know that we have all of these different rate hikes, which are expected to extend. Check this out. It says that the most recent data is saying the rate hikes is coming, and they're going to be about 11 times. This is Forbes.com. Check this out. Let me make myself a little bit smaller. We muted. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Check this out. So you should be able to hear me just fine now. On the stock market, let me just cover that again. Goldman Sachs said right here that the Fed to hike rates 11 times by the end of 2023. You understand? So I don't know why the audio went out, but things happen, right? So here we go. Since they're gonna do this, we have to pay ourselves 11 different times. They're expected to do it about 4 more times, 3 to 4 more times in 2022, and then potentially 11 times. Even if this is incorrect, there's that fear, that uncertainty, and that doubt that's going to come onto the market. But again, we don't want to make my birthday just all about me. We're going to make it about us. So what we want to do, since they might try to cause a recession and then crash the stock market down, is we have to buy the dip, first of all. Not financial advice, but we also got to stack our money up, right? And I appreciate y'all for the super chats, family. Shout out to you. Birthday gift on the way. I love it. And you don't have to do it, but I know you do it out of love, so I appreciate it. So now, check this out. Since they want to do this and crash the stock market, we got to make sure that our cash piles is stacked up. So here we go. We're going to do the 26-week challenge. So here we go. Let's check it out right here. It looks like this. And let me make it so you can see it well. I want you to be able to see this real well, and I want to explain it to you because I want you to pay yourself first. It's my birthday, but it's your time to get paid. So check this out. We're going to go to the 26-week challenge. It looks like this. If you can, I want you to take a screenshot of this right here, right now. Let me give you a second. And while you do that, I want you to hit the like button. I want you to hit the subscribe button. We got to get this video over 50% likes. So take a picture of this. And you already know what time it is. Much love, family. Appreciate you for that, big dog. Much love. Take a screenshot of this. Now that you got your screenshot, let's talk about what it means. Right here. And I said this over in the Discord. Again, join the Discord to follow the challenge. I want you to have 5,000 extra cash in your savings or investing account minimum. I'm talking about your buying power. We got to pay ourselves first. You understand? So now this is my gift to you, giving you a strategy in which to do that before the year is out. Imagine $5,000 more in your account before the year is out. Let's get that dry powder up, baby. So now, and I got many people who is joining the challenge with me. If you join in the challenge with me, let me know in the comments, right? Yes in the comments, or put a 100 in the comments, baby. I want to see you with 5 G's in your pocket, more than you already got. So now, it says this. I want you to have 5,000 extra cash in your account, your savings account, or your investing account minimum before the year is out. Now, on top of investing, because we still got to buy the dip, we will start the 26-week challenge. And if this is too much, cut each number in half and work towards the 2,526-week challenge. So I see a lot of people joining in. We got to get our cash up. The family is ready. We want y'all to join with us. So it says this: the first week you put in $50, but if you go in half, you put in 25. All you have to do is stick to the plan, and you will be, you know what? They say even a journey of 1,000 miles starts with the first step, and you got to start with the first step. And now I'm starting with the first step. Now I want to say this: what I'm gonna do, when I was talking to someone, I had deposited some of the money onto my Robinhood account because they got the instant deposits. But they made a great point, right? And I want to shout you out, big dog. He said, you know what, Keenan? Robinhood, blah, 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 blah. And I was thinking like, you know what? I'm using Robinhood because I like the instant deposits, but Public also has the instant deposits too. And I could just throw it over there. And I would prefer to do this challenge on Public. Why? Because first of all, they got the instant deposits, and two, Public is not my trading account. You understand what I'm saying? So I want to do this in a non-trading account so I could stack my money up in somewhere that I'm not trading, right? So then what I want you to do, if you haven't done so already, is hit the link. We're sponsored by Public in this video today. You get up to $70 free in free stocks. It says from Keenan Gray, so let's get it. And I told you, I just found this out the other day. Let me zoom in because this surprised me. The coupon code to get the free stocks is my name, which I didn't know until the other day. But shout out to that. So up to $70 free in free stocks, and they got instant deposits. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to use Public. I started it with Robinhood, but I'm going to switch over to Public right now, and I'm going to put my first $50 in. So if you have not already started, what I want you to do is this. Think of a savings account, maybe a high yield savings account, like a Discover or an Ally Bank. So you could do this challenge with us, or you could use any one that you already have, right? But you don't necessarily want it in a trading account, because then you might find yourself trading it instead of stacking it. And this is all about stacking that bread up and getting that wealth that we talked about. So now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to the Public app, and I'm starting right here. I'm going to put my 50 in. So I'm going to my deposits, and then I'm going to try to deposit right here. Continue. $50. Boom. So here we go. And let me show you the receipts. Because you know I got to come with the receipts, baby. And again, I appreciate y'all for the super chats. You don't have to do it, but I appreciate it. You keeping the lights on in this piece, and I know y'all just trying to celebrate me for my birthday. I'm going to go use your money and go get a haircut. So much love. Much love, family. You know we got to keep it real all of the time, 100% of the time, baby. So here we go. Let me airdrop this over just so I can show you. We starting that challenge, and I'm doing it right here. So deposit initiated. Started to transfer $50 to your Public account. So I'm going to use Public. So it could take $5, 5 days for it to basically fully transfer, but I got the instant deposits. So now that's what I'm talking about. So I'm in the building. So Discord fam, the first thing I'm doing is now I'm going to use, instead of using the Robinhood like I started with the other day, I'm just going to use Public. And now I'm going to start my 50 or my 26-week challenge and put my $50 on that. Boom. Here we go. So we in the building. And let me tell the family, I will use Public for my 50 or 26-week challenge with my $50. Challenge. Why? I don't want to have it in a trading account, period. I want the money in a long-term account so that it can stack up. Here we go. So now we in the building, baby. And again, much love. I appreciate y'all for the love. Just know Just know y'all showering your boy. Let's go. Let's go. I got to hit the Don DeMarco for the family. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, yeah. So now let's go over some of the details about the challenge. So you could do this many different ways. I heard so many different people. Happy Solar Return. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. I want you to understand this. You could do this so many different ways, right? Where, here we go. 26-week challenge. Week 1. And let me zoom in because I know some of y'all in the back can't see. Hold up. My notepad at. Bah! Let's go. So check this out. We got the 26-week challenge right here. Week 1, $50. Or you could go for goal number 2. If you can't do the 5,000, then you could do the 2,500, right? And then the max that you ever had to put in 1 week would be 160. So now, somebody just asked me, why do we need to do that? You got to get your dry powder up in addition to investing. Why? Because you're going to need money, especially if the government is expected to do potentially 11 rate hikes all the way out. The whole 2022, the whole 2023. We're going to buy the dips, but also we got to have a specific plan. I told you 100 times. 5 P's. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Say it with me again. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. That's what this is about. So now we want to be prepared. And then when we see the crazy dips, guess what? We got cash so then that we could use it to build our wealth. When everything is dropping down like a rock, we're going to have the money to be able to basically say, oh, everything's on sale. And guess who got $5,000? You, me. That's what we're trying to do, family. You understand? This is about generational wealth. This is not about getting rich quick. This is about getting rich on a specific schedule and following out. And again, man, I appreciate y'all. Y'all really showering me with the super chats. Keisha, much love for that, family. Let's see. Lenny, I appreciate you, big dog. France, much love. Again, shout out to you for the super chat. Adria, thank you. Teddy, yo, let's go. Happy birthday. I appreciate y'all. Much love. Again, so much love. Okay, now let's keep it going. Boston is in the building. Congrats. Let's go. Let's go. But remember, this is not about me. This is not about me. This is not about you. This is about us. This is about us, baby. So now, here we go. I got my first week down. So what am I going to do to this cell right here? I'm going to make it, let's see. Let's try to make it, let me zoom out a little bit so I can get my options back up. I'm going to make this one green. I already did it. Boom. Got my 50 in straight up. So now I'm waiting for next week where I'm going to add my 65 in straight up like that. What I'm going to do also is, let me see if I could get a shared link, so I can share this with you. Private, me only. Let's call it 26-week challenge. I'm going to save that. Right? So then, owner, I want to share it, restrict it, copy anyone with the link. I want to make it so anyone with the link can view it. Anyone with the link can view it. So I'm going to copy the link. Now, if you want to make your own and follow this out, what you'll do is you'll go to File, Make a Copy, and make your own copy. Okay? So I'm going to throw this in the comments for you. Discord fam, I'm going to throw this in the Discord Stocks of the Week for you. Oh, I'm going to put it in the Discord on 26-week challenge. Here we go. I want to see you get your money up, baby. And I'm going to pin it. There we go. Here's how to track your progress. Make a copy of this file. And what is this? This is the 26-week challenge. Boom. Let's win. Let's win, baby. Okay, so I got my first one down. So now, let's see. You got to keep in mind. Brian, shout out to you for joining the family, baby. Much love. Much love. So let's get to the charts. Now that we got all of this stuff out the way. But just for those of you who are just rolling in, again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We got 600 likes. We need at least, 900 to have 50%. So let's get it. Appreciate y'all for the love. Much love. It's always love. Most people ain't used to getting love how we get down. You know what I'm saying? Because it's real. And they're not used to that. So let's keep it talking. And let's keep it going, actually. So let me go over here. And let's check this out. Because I wanted you to see this again. For those of you just rolling in, let me explain. I want you to save $5,000 extra. Right? This is cash in your savings account or your investing account minimum before the year is out. Remember, you could do $2,500. That's fine. This is on top of investing, not other than, right, or not one or the other. This is on top of it. We will start the 26-week challenge, which I just started. And if this is too much, do the $2,500 challenge, 26 weeks. Remember, family, this is like what, September, October? Then you'll have $2,500 you didn't have before or $5,000 you didn't have before. So we want to be on the lookout for those. So now let's go over and let's check out a few things right now. The first thing that we're going to check out is, you know what time it is, the beast, the big dog, the banger, which shout out to all of the apes in the chat. And we're looking at AMC because guess what? We have never left and we are not leaving. We told you, you don't have to do this. But those of us who are apes, we going to the moon or we going to zero with it, baby, because it's bigger than what you would even think. It's bigger than that. You know what I'm saying? It's about market fairness. Oh yeah, and I want to give a shout out to, this is a funny shout out, but it's a shout out. I want to give a shout out to HBO Max, right? HBO threw your boy in an HBO show and they didn't tell me. They just literally just threw me in. It's like a quick, like 1 second, maybe 2 seconds, but they didn't tell me. They just threw me in. Some of the family showed me that. I'm like, yeah. I thought when they had people on HBO, even for like a half a second, like they had me on there, I thought that they would at least hit you up and be like, yo, we threw your content in a paid program. But they didn't tell you, boy. But I take it. Right? So I appreciate y'all. Shout out to Trina. I appreciate you. My guy Marlon. Much love, big dog. Made a mistake. You say you sold Neo before the market was open. Let me go back. Big dog. Hold up. And you said it was trying to do an option. Possible. How is it possible it went through? You could sell in a pre-market, big dog. So, okay. You said, is this a video? You said you did see that. Oh, yeah. That's crazy. What show is it? It's called Gaming Wall Street. It's, let me go to YouTube. It's called Gaming Wall Street. HBO. It's on HBO. I'm on episode 2. I wrote it down because somebody was asking me about it. I'm on episode 2, Gaming Wall Street, and it's real quick. It's real quick, like half a second. But let me just double check again. Episode 2 at like 8:45, 8 minutes 45 seconds. But I'm like, they threw your boy in there, right? That's crazy. You said, was it part of your intro? It was actually a part of, like we're talking about right now, with AMC, where I was talking about the Citadel scandal, and then they threw your boy in there. So, yeah, good morning, everybody. So, yeah, shout out to you. You said at 8:46 on episode 2. Okay, yeah, and it's called Gaming Wall Street. Here we go. I don't know if this is the official, it might be, who knows, but it's on HBO Max. You said Lucid is running today. We'll come back to that. But let's check out AMC. So the first thing that we want to do is go to the news and see what's going on with it. So Russia, Ukraine, we know that. Crowdsourced. Batman, okay. Jen, much love. Felice Cumpleaños, Keenan, come on now. Please tell me I said that right. I appreciate you. So check this out. Batman aims for 100 million open, right? So now let's check it out. They keep trying to tell you time and time again that the movie theaters is dead. But family, Batman is killing the game. Batman is straight up killing the game. And we love to see it, right? Now, it's not going crazy like Spider-Man. But when they tell you the movie theaters is dead, you know what we got to tell them? When they want you to, they just trying to shake you out of your shares. That's my opinion, right? When they want to tell you the movie theaters is dead, what do we tell them? We tell them, stop the cap. Hold up, say it again. Stop the cap. Stop playing with us. You're not shaking us out of our shares. And just to keep it all the way real with you, on my birthday, let me go over here. Hold up. Let me go over here and I'm going to show you how diamond hands. I hope the data scientists are in the chat so they can see how I'm rocking out. Hold up. I hope the data scientist is in the chat, baby. Straight up. So here we go. AMC. Let me scroll through and find my AMC position. Hey, I'm back over the $10,000 mark. So here we go. Remember, I only invested into this when I'm willing to lose because the goal is for all of us to be on the same page. All of us got to be on the same page in order for this short squeeze that everybody is waiting for and getting impatient for. We got to be on the same page. And if we not, then it couldn't work. So check this out. And let me move this so we can see it cleaner. I want you to see it cleaner. I'm currently down on my shares on AMC. I got in what I'm willing to lose because I got to trade responsibly. I would be irresponsible if I wasn't trading responsibly with this and I put in money I wasn't willing to lose. I'm down $6,000, which is 37%, right? Market value is currently $10,000, right? So you could basically add this on. I put in like what, 6,000 right here. You could kind of see it, right? I put in 6,000 and then boom. I'm sorry, 16,000 and I'm straight up diamond handing this. If this comma was a freaking decimal point, I was still being AMC. I'm talking if this whole 10,000 turned into $10, they couldn't shake me out. I always say, if I was the only ape in AMC and it was just me, I feel like, hey, short sellers, you better come correct because you ain't getting these shares out of me unless you spend what it costs, baby, what it costs. Now, and I'm talking the moon. I'm talking straight up the moon. But you know what? We're relying on each other, and that's why I'm holding for you. And you don't have to hold for me if you can't handle it. It is what it is. Also, family, we got 2,000 people in the building. I want you to hit the like button. Hit the like button. So now, while we are here, what I want to do is let's do some technical analysis on AMC. So remember, AMC does not like to play well with technical analysis. You understand? It doesn't like to play well. I see the likes rolling in. Let's roll them on in, baby. And make sure you subscribe to the channel because many people have been telling me, and you tell me if this happened to you in the comments, yes or no? Yes or no? Have you been getting unsubscribed to the channel or not? Have you been able to stay or have you gotten unsubscribed and you didn't unsubscribe on your own? Let me know if they unsubscribed you because I've seen a few people, actually a lot of people, to keep it real, telling me to Keenan, man, they keep unsubscribing me. But let's keep it going because I know what time it is. We already know how they do. You say I'm a beast, much love, and I appreciate you. So you know what, family? It's my birthday. I was going to do some technical analysis on AMC, but you know what I want to do today? I want to go shopping. So for my birthday, so right now, let's see my shares of AMC. It's at $16. For my birthday, I'm going to buy, I got 600 right now. I'm buying 50 more. I want to buy 50 more. What is that going to cost me? This is going to cost me what? Who knows? I bought 50 more. Let's get it. Here go the receipts. With the timestamp. I'm going shopping on my birthday, baby. I'm going shopping. And I'm supporting the apes. Here we go. Receipts. And again, you don't have to do this. I'm an ape. AMC ape through and through. I'm going to the moon or I'm going to zero with it. I just picked up 50 more shares of AMC. I'm going shopping on my birthday, baby. It's Pisces season. And that made me feel like I needed 50 more shares. So now, let's see. My position on AMC is now changed. Here we go. I used to have 600 shares. Now your boy, I got even more shares than that, baby. I'm going there today. Here we go. Check this out. Boom. New position, 650. And remember, I'm putting in what I'm willing to lose. If you see this tomorrow and you see this, AMC is $10, hey, guess what? I buy AMC because I'm an ape, baby. I'm an ape. Straight up. And we in the building. So let's go and let's talk about it. So I guess now we could do, now that I picked up some AMC, and shout out to me. Shout out to me. You say you holding for me. I know you are. I appreciate you. Just know. So, and yep. And you know, I picked up some synthetic shares. I had to get the synthetic shares because I know we gotta get them, baby. We gotta get them. So why? Because they want them back, and I ain't giving them back until they ready to pay the price. If not, we going to zero with it. Me personally, you don't have to do it. Remember, I'm an ape. So okay, check this out. Let me see. Teddy, I appreciate you, big dog. Much love for the super chat. And Jen, again, thank you. Much love. So here we go. Let's go to AMC and let's actually just see what's going on. Let's go to the 5-minute chart right here. The 5-minute chart. And notice it's coming down, 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 down. None of my concern, baby. I'm an ape and I'm holding strong. You said you buying in too? Let's get it. Let's go. But again, you don't have to. Just know. So let's keep talking about it. Another thing, I want to go shopping like I always tell you. I'm picking up this crypto right here. It's called Matic. I've been buying Polygon, and I've been buying it slowly but surely. I've been buying like $100 of it fairly regularly. Now, okay, understood. It's 147. I picked up some of it just yesterday at about, I want to say 140 or somewhere around, right? Now, I'm going shopping. Again, that's what I want you to do on your birthday. When it's your birthday, I want you to go on a shopping spree. And I want you to pick up things that you believe in for the long term. So now, what I'm about to go do, again, I just picked up some AMC. I'm going shopping, and I'm picking up some Matic. I'm about to pick up some Matic. So Discord fam, let me show you stocks of the week. My buys, like I always tell you. I'm an ape, so I picked up more AMC. All right, so now I'm about to go buy some Matic. Just know, happy birthday. Yo, Michael, much love, family. Much love. Appreciate you for that. Yeah, your boy going shopping, baby. It's time for a shopping spree. It's time for a shopping spree. So let's see. I'm picking up some Matic right now. Here we go. I told myself that I'm buying into this one regularly. I'm going to put in a limit order. I should be able to get this limit order. So this one's a limit order. Boom. All right. So that's something that I did want to comment on too, by the way. And what is it? It's ticker symbol MULN. Right? So let's see if this loads up. So Mullin Automotive. This one is one of the hottest plays on the market right now. Crazy volatile. Crazy, crazy volatile. But why is this important? This is important because you got to understand, this is going to draw in who? The short sellers. It's going to draw them in like crazy when they know that the retails like it. But the retails like to basically say, hey, if y'all short sellers want to attack this one, then it's time for us to load up. But you got to remember how you want to play it. Now, I'm not saying to go and buy this one. I currently don't have any of this. This doesn't mean that you should, but this does mean that you have to understand how you are playing it. Not everything is meant to be diamond-handed, but if you do your research, then it's okay to diamond hand in those cases. So make sure you do your research on this. Make sure that you understand if this one is a swing trade for you or if it's a long-term hold for you, right? Personally, this would not be a long-term hold for me, but I think it's a great swing. But if it's a long-term hold for you, you know, you got to be the captain of your own shit, baby. So that's what's important. Now, let's look at it on the short term in terms of the technicals. So let's look at it on the 1-minute chart. So right now, what we have here on the 1-minute chart is we pumping. We straight up pumping. And if we see the options, let's look at the calls and see what we get over here. Okay, so right here, and let me just check this out. I shouldn't be on the Wi-Fi. I don't want to be on the Wi-Fi. I want to be on the hard line. Oh, I am on the Wi-Fi? Family, please. I hope this don't cut off on us. If it does, I'll catch you in the Discord. But it shouldn't. I'm turning the Wi-Fi off. I want to be on the hard line. Let me just go and double check. Network preferences. Let me just check because I want to be on the Ethernet. I want to be on the Ethernet. Okay, cool. So now we should be on the Ethernet. Wi-Fi off. Okay, cool. So we should still be in the building. If we lose connection, whoops. Yeah, I think we still in the building. Okay, okay. Hopefully the data scientists don't get us. Oh, we still in the building? Let's go. Okay, yeah. So this one's pumping. Let's see if we can swing it. Let's go to the options. All right. So I'm looking at the options on Mullin right now. And what we have, let me make myself a little bit larger for you to see me. What we have right now on this one is the $1. The open interest is 14,000 on the $1 call for Friday. So it's high. It's currently losing, but the open interest is pretty high. Let's go to next week. Oh, no, April. The next one's April. It doesn't have a lot of options. Yeah, nothing. There we go. Okay, 3,000. So they got some options. You can swing this. It's not really moving, though. The options. You got the Greeks right here. The delta is really, really high compared to the ask price, which means if this thing go up just $1, that'd be a lot of money made. You say you was down on the snap put, but now it's printing. I love to see it. I love to see it. Straight up. So I might leave that one alone. Let's check out Lucid. LCID. All right, let's check out Lucid. And let's check out the charts on Lucid. No, it didn't go. Hold up. LCID. Okay, so Lucid was pumping up a bit, but it hit a resistance line. It hit a previous resistance that it hit before. And let's see. Hit this resistance, came right back down, crashing like a rock after the resistance. And it has support at 22 and resistance at what? 24.50. Didn't break it. It looked like it was about to power through it and break it, and then came right back down. So it tried to do this gap fill. Look at this gap down right here. Let me move myself out of the way so you can see me a little bit. Here we go. Look at this. Lucid gap down here. Came back up and tried to gap fill, but it has since come back down. Let's check out Ford and see if it's time to get into any kind of plays. So I'm looking for weakness on Ford around here. She's like, Keenan, you wear a suit to bed? I got to put my best foot forward, baby. I got to put my best foot forward. Straight up. They say when you look good, you feel good. So you got to, you know what I'm saying? Try to present yourself at least somewhat well so then you can feel good about you. It don't work for everybody, but it might work for you. So here we go. And what's up with Weeble? Like, what's going on with you, Weeble? Let me X out of Weeble and try again. X. It's like frozen. Neo is on a rocket. Remember, since Neo was on a rocket, we know what time it is. We know what time it is. It rockets, and that's retracement generally in the short term. Hold up. Here we go. I X'd out of that. Let me pull it back up now. Had that refresh. Still acting funny. All right, yeah. You said it's true? Yeah, you know what time it is with Neo. So it's not showing a weakness under the 16, like 45, 50 range like I want. But let's go and take a look at Neo as well. Let's take a look. Because to be honest with you, I like Neo a lot, and I'm holding a good amount of Neo, but I might get a put option if I see it run up to a previous resistance that it keeps respecting. You said it does work? I'm telling you, right? Yeah, you got to make sure. That's right. What are they talking about? They say if you look good, you feel good. I might get a put on it if I see it. And remember, the MACD crossed up. That means we're not getting a put just yet, right? You got to chill. But I might get a put on it if I see it come back up to these kind of levels up here, which is like the 21 level, which we're not far from. Because I could definitely see Neo coming back down in the short term. just running up like this. Like, look, some of these days, it'll run back up, but then head right back down into the teen range. Eventually, things will turn around because NEO's a great company. But for now, we know what time it is. So, okay, family, just know it's my birthday. I want to enjoy my day today. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I want you to be a part of the 26-week challenge, right? Straight up, I got my first 50 in. I put it on the public investing app because I don't want my money on a trading app. I want it on an app that I would just leave it there and let it stack. And we're going to do the 26-week challenge in conjunction with our investing. So again, get up to $73 in free stocks. Again, it's my birthday, so I appreciate y'all for all of the love. Again, I'm headed up out of here. If you need me, hit me up in the Discord. Come on down, join that. And again, if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. Again, family, I love y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.